Okay, hi everyone. So last video I showed how to create the table, that is the C of CRUD, that is create the table. Okay, now let's put few things in it, because as you see there is nothing, no entry in this table as of now. So let's make some entries, as this is a table that I have made for pets. So let's put some pet names in here and their details. Now, to insert data into this, what we need to do is simple. The word itself says that is insert. So, insert into which table, right? So, insert into which table? Pets table. So, you mention here is pets, then bracket, or else you can just start over here. What you need to insert first is your column. Over here, it shows pet ID. So, mention pet ID. Make sure make sure that you enter this underscore over here. Okay, now next is name, the name column and the name. Okay, now next is age, age. So that is what age. Okay, we want this as columns. So into pets, in these columns, your values you need to enter. Values will be again in bracket, or else to make it more easier, let me put it over here, values. Okay, or else you can just continue over here, but we will make few entries, so I'll keep it representable so that you can understand. Okay, now values. So in values, pet id, let's keep pet id. Pet id you don't need to enter over here, you just have to enter the name and age. What is pet id? Id is technically a unique code given to the each and every pet, which will not reoccur. This is a unique one which will keep on increasing. So if you make double entries, like let's say shiro, there are two shiros in your pet, or in your pet shop, or in your under your care. So you should not mistake one. Let's say one shiro is brown and another shiro is white color. So like, I hope you get that. Okay, so moving ahead, let's keep shiro as the first name, and age of shiro, let's say 4 years. Then you enter comma. Now, so shiro and 4, let's say we here keep it as Tommy, and Tommy's age is, let's say 1. And let's make another entry. Now, um, let's keep it as Shaun. Let's say the age is 5, and let's say, yeah, here, um let's keep it something like Raju, Indian dog, yeah. And Raju should be 9, let's say. And यहाँ पे everyone's favorite, that is tiger. And let's okay, let's 3 maybe. Yeah, 3 looks good. And so this is how you insert the data, and of course you end it with semicolons. Now let's run this. Pet's name, columns don't match. Okay, so the mistake that I have done over here, this will not read, this will not uh, run successfully, because see over here I have mentioned pet id, but over here I have not. So my error was that I mentioned this, whereas I don't need this. So now let me run this. Okay, it is successful. Insert. Now, okay, I have created this. Okay, the first part of CRUD, that is create, we have created this table. Now, okay, looking at the action output, you can the table is created, but how would we know that it is not yet, I mean, how will you read it, right? So to show it or visually see it into a visual table, you need another query, and the query is select. So technically, for your second part of CRUD, that is R, CRUD, so R, that which stands for read. So you just go here, select asterisk, sorry, asterisk from. So this asterisk is technically standing for all the columns in, means everything in your table. So select everything from your table. The name of your table is pets, and semicolon. Here you go, run it, and you see. Now see pet id, you did not enter it over here. In the previous video, um, I showed you that why this auto increment, and I did not mention this everything. So yeah, going ahead, this uh, auto increment was not there, but you see this ID, each and every ID is unique to the name. Okay, so this is how you read your uh, table. So the read has many other things, like there are you can only use columns over here. When you don't want to see all this, you just want to see the age, sorry, age, and then name or pet id. So you can uh, modify this. So in the next video which I will be creating for read, I'll mention this all. And for this video this is enough. And if you think there is anything else you would like, please feel free to share your uh, inputs in the comment box. And if you think I'm missing out on something, or you would like to know anything extra, please let me know in this comment box, anything related to my SQL basics. As I eventually go ahead, I'm going to keep posting you up. So hope to see you again. Till then, bye bye.